Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make marinara sauce only way. Start by prepping 2 cans of crushed tomatoes, 4 cloves garlic, and 1 small onion. Heat olive oil in a skillet, sauté garlic and onion until translucent, then add tomatoes and simmer gently. Stir in a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and a handful of fresh basil. Taste and adjust seasoning, then simmer and maintain a warm, steady simmer for 20 to 30 minutes so flavors meld without burning. Keep the heat low and stir every few minutes. When bubbles are gentle, mash tomatoes slightly with your spoon for a balanced texture, then add a splash of olive oil to round the sauce. Taste midway and adjust salt or add red pepper flakes if you like a little heat, remembering less is more at the start. Finish by folding in 1 cup of fresh basil leaves just before serving so the herb stays vibrant, and add 2 tablespoons butter for a silky mouthfeel if you like. Keep a cup of pasta cooking water and use it to loosen the sauce to your preferred consistency. Serve over freshly cooked pasta or store in jars. The sauce improves if rested a bit, making flavors more cohesive and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.